This universe, since eternity, always has been, is, and will be an ever-living fire, kindling itself with regular change. Change being central to the universe. Eternity plays with the clay of time. Each end marks the beginning that evolves into another. The only constant is change. In the story of evolution, change alone is unchangeable. Humans, as social beings, uniquely adapt to utilizing systems of communication for self-expression, the exchange of ideas and organization, which leads to the mankind's ability and ambition to evolve and advance societies. This human intelligence, their ability to communicate and evolve, and the human desire to understand and influence their environment works exponentially, resulting in inventions and technological discoveries that makes the world a safer place to live.
Dull cherry, which denotes retreating effect of the characteristics of red color, that is, positive health and freedom from disease. Black color personifies goddess Mahakali, the mother of universe. Old gold stands for the mystic aspect of the sun, which is regarded to cure incurable diseases. Gold color is associated with magnanimity, intuition, and intellect. The inner circle indicative of the gear denotes architecture and engineering. The lotus flower is a symbol of eternity, plenty, and good fortune. The seed, bud, and blossom represent the past, present, and future. The book denotes education and research. It gives perspective of looking at life, instrumental in the development of our values and virtues. The medal denotes recognition for outstanding achievements in hospital and healthcare administration. The combined effect of the logo signifies influence and ascendancy of art of management. This logo denotes positive health, freedom from disease, creativity, intellect, magnanimity, and technology, which epitomizes the Foundation's goal. The goal of RFHHA is to enhance our global recognition as a research foundation in healthcare administration of the first rank, known for the excellence of our teaching, research, and service. The mission is to strengthen management in healthcare through training and research, best practices, and future social, economic, technological challenges by facilitating the exchange of information, experience, research, advocating for policies, programs, and practices that improve public health. Vision. The Research Foundation of Hospital and Healthcare Administration, RFHHA, is the leading professional foundation in hospital and healthcare administration that strives to protect and promote the hospital and healthcare administration and capacity building in Southeast Asia so that all people can enjoy the best health possible and can live, grow, and prosper in clean and safe communities. The foundation will develop leaders for the health sectors so as to enhance the global competitive edge of our healthcare systems.
Some of the main objectives of Foundation are to function as a scientific body for encouraging and assisting research in the field of hospital and healthcare administration. Our objective is to support researchers from all over Indian subcontinent. Foundation will serve as a nodal center for academic and research collaborations with various international institutions of repute in the field of hospital and healthcare administration. We will serve as a center for capacity building for various administrative cadres of national and state health projects. Foundation will serve as a WHO collaborating center for various hospital administrative activities like patient safety and safe hospitals. The Foundation shall provide consultancy services for new healthcare facility planning, hospital equipment planning, healthcare financing, insurance product development, and disaster management, etc. Above objective shall be achieved with the strength of our core values like fidelity to our mission and strong and confident belief in our work, leadership in hospital management, education and healthcare infrastructure, service to our community, the nation and the world through public health programs and health education, the unrelenting pursuit of knowledge through research and lifelong learning.
The Research Foundation will have a dedicated website where the research material pertaining to hospital and healthcare management practices will be displayed for dissemination, so the people can have an access to this research material through the dedicated website. We also want to launch Journal of Research Foundation, which will conduct a series of CME programs in the country, and all those subscribers to this journal will have an opportunity to attend CME programs which will be conducted under the banner of Research Foundation.
Learn to lead, lead to learn.